Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the kit has the correct belt, tensioner, and hardware. This prevents backtracking. Once done, park on level ground, let the engine cool, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Next, loosen the accessory mount bolts just enough to relieve tension rather than fully removing them. This keeps components aligned. Use the provided diagram to note serpentine routing. Taking a quick photo helps. Now, you're ready to remove the old belts safely and efficiently. You route the belt exactly as shown in the kit diagram, leaving the tensioner pulley for the final step because it provides the slack you need. Next, position the belt on all accessory pulleys except the tensioner, making sure each ribbed side seats into grooves. Misalignment causes noise and premature wear. Then apply a breaker bar or tensioner tool to rotate the tensioner and slide the belt over its pulley. Once released, make sure the belt tracks straight on every pulley before proceeding. You finish by tightening all accessory bolts to the manufacturer torque specification to maintain alignment, then reconnect the battery. Start the engine and watch the belt for 1 to 2 minutes for correct tracking and any squeal or wobble. This live check catches issues early. If you hear noise or see misalignment, shut off immediately and reinspect the routing, the tensioner amplitude, and pulley condition. Sometimes a pulley bearing or a swapped belt side causes problems. One key tip: if slipping persists, recheck tensioner per load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.